Jopuonj adek ochwal e nyim doho ma Ogembo kaluwore gi ketho mar hinyo japuonjre moro masomo e sikunde sekondar ma Nyabisia kane gidagi ketho makamano. Jopuonjgo ne ochwal e nyim jang'ad bura Paul Biwott manowegi gi rambun mar Sh100,000 ng'ato ka ng'ato kata omenda machielo maromo Sh20,000 ng'ato ka ng'ato. Jamin wach ne okwedo weche mag ji adekgo ka ginyiso luoro ni ginyalo rocho bura makamano kaluwore ni jopuonjre ema ibiro tigodo kaka joneno e yalo burano. Obila pod dhi nyime gi manyo achije mamoko ariyo mane oringo ka japuonjre no pod dhi nyime yudo thieth. Burano ibiro dhi godo nyime tarik 27 mar dweni.
They are pleaded not killed and they are presumed to be innocent until proven otherwise. The accused reason for the prosecution's reason for denying them bail was the fear that they will interfere with witnesses. These allegations are not supported by any affidavit by the investigating officer. But the children's officer as a way of protecting the complainant. The school administration is also there. There are high chances also that the accused persons, if they are truly teachers, may be interdicted after this. That will pave a way where witness interference will not be a fear at all. And for that reason, I find that the application to deny the accused bail is not merited. I disallow the application. The accused will be admitted to bail, and I hereby admit them to a bail of 100,000 each, with a surety similar amount. In the alternative, they may have a cash bail of 20,000 each, pending hearing and determination of their case. So they are admitted to bail.